Hello guys, this is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Today we have a Volkswagen Jetta Make 5 problem. Okay, and the problem with this Make 5 here is that the ABS, I was driving and the traction control and the ABS light just popped up. So I thought it just I was on a high speed that time, so I thought something happened, and I was hearing my brake I was hearing the noise from the front tire making a rattling noise. So let me start the car so you see it. Okay, you can see right there is consistent. Now the trunk is open and the door is open, that's why those two lights are showing. But what about the ABS? So one thing I want to do first here is to plug in my scan tool, then check through the control modules and see what I'm gonna find. So let's get in there. Okay, here we go. I've got my scan tool connected, my dongle connected right there. So I'm gonna be synchronizing it with and put the ignition on. I'm gonna hit Volkswagen and let it search and connect to my dongle, and you can see my ignition is on, so it's responding, so it's loading. Load. Okay, so what we're gonna go here is to go through system selection. Let's see if we can be able to find the, okay, we'll go to brakes. We should be able to see that number 3, which is brakes there. That should be brake control module, so let's go there and look at it. It's loading. Please wait, your transaction is processing. Thank you for banking with us. Okay, we'll click OK. We'll go to read the TC code, and right there, okay, you can see right there, front ABS wheel sensor, front left front ABS sensor. So that's the reason why that ABS light is on right there. So okay, let's start the engine and see if it's gonna go away. Okay, it's still right there and it hasn't gone away. So let's go to the front tires. For obvious reason, before doing this video right now, I've actually covered these up. I've actually loosened out the tire to inspect it and see if my ABS has a problem. I did realize that I have my boys work on this leg just of recently, the front leg, so I'm gonna check it out right now and know why this ABS. It could be that the ABS the sensor can just go off like that. Maybe something happened, maybe there is a disruption in the power board. Here should be able to solve the problem, so let's go right there. Okay guys, here we go. So the first thing I want to do here is to look out for the sensor. This is the sensor right here. The sensor is not unplugged. Right, the sensor is not unplugged. Hey, and I'll trace it right up here so far. Okay, when I come here, this was actually dangling. So I am actually looking at something here, if you can see it. So here, it did brush with the tires. You can see it right there. It's not trying to focus, but you can see that the two wires are chopped off right there because it was rubbing on the tires. You can see that the two wires are chopped off there. Now if you trace it down there, that's the wire for the ABS sensor. So what we're gonna do right now, most often times if this is not your own problem, it could be that the socket is removed, disconnected, or the wire is chopped off like you see this one did here. So a common fix for this is just simply get another wire, join these two, then we go up there and rescan the car and see if the problem goes away. But 100% chance this is gonna make the problem go away. This is gonna solve the problem. So let me get some piece of wire, join this together, then we go ahead and clear the error code and see if this code comes back. Okay, here we find a piece of wire which can be able to do this, though this is half the gauge there, so we're gonna multiply by 2. I'm gonna peel it out, and I'm gonna peel this one, I'm gonna join it, then we'll go ahead and test run it. So let me do that quickly because I'm using just only one hand. Okay, here is it, guys. Make sure that it doesn't touch the black one, because the black one here you can see it's a little bit peeled, so just separated it, and here we go. The problem should be solved after this. So what we're gonna go right now and do is to go right inside the car and scan it. And before we finish everything, we want to hang it here so that it doesn't we don't create the same problem that this person did, because he was leaving it hanging like this. He's supposed to slot it right here. I'm gonna find a sellotape and tape this very well so it's insulated properly. Let me do that quickly. Okay, you can see right there, being well masked. So now this is the right thing, this is the right way to do it. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to go right inside the car, then we'll scan it and see if this fault code comes back. Okay, here we go. With our RBD still connected, you can see the code is still here. So I'm going to go back and clear the fault code. You can still see that it's showing, so let me go ahead and clear it. You want to, yes, let's clear it. You can see it flashing right there. So the traction has gone, yes. So it says no more fault. It's flashing, but it's gonna be needing a validation, some test drive to actually complete this. So I'm gonna go back here and read the DTC again. So this time no more. So as it's flashing like this, as ABS is flashing, that's not a problem. As soon as you make a test drive, it should be able to go away and the problem is solved. You can see that the traction control that was there before is no more, and the computer has validated it that there is no more problem. So that's it, guys. I hope this is okay. Now let's go to it. As we exited that menu, it's gone. So let's go back there again and still check it. So I told you the car computer has to validate it. It has validated it. As we go on there right now, read DTC, no fault code. So let's go back. You can see right there it's gone. So guys, if you find this very helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I gotta catch you guys later. This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Bye for now. Okay guys, you can see I'm making a test drive, a road test drive, and the problem is gone. So that's how to do it. That's how to fix it. Traction control, ABS issue, gone. I'm making more test drive.